Alright guys, we got a new box. I know what's in it. I did order it. So anyhow, let's see what we got. I'm excited about this one. I wanted one of the OEM ones ever since it come out, but I heard that it was getting cloned. God, you gotta love Neotech's box in a box. So I heard it was getting cloned, and I decided to wait and get this one. And you notice with this one, the box is smaller. So let's see what we got. Ooh, it's upside down. Maybe I opened the box upside down. Okay. Anyhow, we'll just put it backwards. Power head. A little owner's manual. Teeny tiny bag. Oh, this is little. We will need these. Comes with a little screwdriver down in here. That's a different kind than I usually throw in there. I'm gonna put that one in my toolbox because it's got the bigger handle. Comes with a file and your scrunch. Of course, mixing bottle. Funnel. I like them funnels. They're pretty good. Oh, this is 3/8. But it doesn't say how many drive links. Let's see if the bar says it. Bar says it. It's 050. No, it doesn't say how many drive links. It says 12-inch 050. And this one's a Farmmac. Let's open this up and see what we got. Now I do have, and I'll throw it in, me changing it. Maybe it's supposed to come today if I don't get this video out today, but I will definitely do a video on it. I've got a Egan straight shot pipe for this thing that I ordered that it's supposed to. Man, this thing is light. It's got this with an air filter. Let's see here. I think that's a climbing. Yep, climbing up. That's supposed to be an exact clone of the Echo 2511. I think it's 25. Yeah, 2511. Trigger's a little clicky, but I got anything to worry about. This is gonna be easy to put together. I'm putting the handles together or anything like that. Now they did send, let's see if I can get it in the video here. I don't know how well that's going to show up. I can't tell on my watch, but they did send a safety chain with this one. A lot of you can watch some of the other videos. I've talked about chains. I'm not a big safety chain fan. I like my full comp, regular everyday logging chain. This one's a lot. The adjuster is on the cover. I wish they'd start doing the captured bar nuts, but I don't know if that's a patent thing or that's just something that they don't do. I do the captured bar nuts. or cathode bar nuts. It actually goes together easier than the other little top handle that they make, which I'm going to put them up here for comparison here in a second, so you can see the size difference. This thing is small. People say they run good, the actual OEM ones, and what I've seen some people that's already got these, they're supposed to run good. There it is. Oh, that's light. Ah, man, forgot to put the dog on it. That's okay. I'll put it on later. Get my grease gun here. Some people say don't grease these. They get enough oil. I cut a lot of firewood. I grease mine, and I have yet to run through a bar that I took care of. I've got one bar. It's a Neotech bar that I messed up, but that was my own fault. I don't think it had a whole lot to do with the bar. So, let's see here. And just so you know, guys, this is not pre-mixed fuel. This is the Amsoil Sabre. I just got a little can here that I keep around the shop now that I put it in. So may have to let the kiddo get a shot at trying to run this one. She's got her little chainsaw, but it's an older one. It runs good. It's still a little heavy for her though. It's a little mini Mac. She likes it. Alright. Let's I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna take it down where Jens can see me start it, and we'll see what it does. Alright. The Farmmac F2511. Let's see how it does first. Pump it up real good. Three pulls. Maybe it'll need carburetor adjusted here. Yeah, I think we're going to have to adjust that carb a little bit. I'm gonna loosen this chain just a smidget. Did have to adjust the carb just a little. That chain needed to loosen up just a smidget. So, let me tighten it back up just a hair. I don't like tightening them up too tight while they're warm, but that's gonna be alright being a little tighter. Sometimes, guys, if you have, like, especially a new saw, you're trying to start like this, and it's bogging down when you first give it gas the first time you start it, like that one was, and you just got a chain on there and it's real tight. If you'll just loosen the chain up and kind of let the engine free spool, because they ain't got no fuel in the carburetor and it's trying to pull it out through everywhere it needs to be and get it good and primed. So if you do that, and give it time to free spin a little bit, or you can start it without the bar on there or chain on there and do the same thing, and then put your bar and chain on. Helps them a little bit. But this one is a little rich. Not too bad, nothing to really worry about. I did find the bar oil adjuster. It is right in there on top, so it's easy to get to. So I guess I need to adjust the camera back down here so you can see the saw. Sorry. Alright, did find the bar oil adjuster. It's right here, easy to get to. So, and it likes the oil. It likes the oil. Let me turn it down just a little bit. I got it wide open. I don't need that much. So, there it is. And let's compare. Let me get the other one here. Balanced better than this one. Significantly lighter than this one. And it feels like it's a little more ergonomic too. So that feels a little more ergonomic. It likes throwing the oil, I can tell you that. Let's see if it'll start back up. Alright guys, let's see if it'll start back up. Works pretty good. I tell you, it likes to oil. So there we go, all done. I'll throw the dog on it and figure out how to do that. That's not that big a deal. It's not hard. But yeah, she likes to oil. Turn it down some more. That's still oiling like a freight train. It's raining today, or we would go outside and put it in some wood. But yeah. So. Alright guys, that's it. See you next time, especially when I get that muffler or a pipe in. We'll put it on and run it, and then we'll go cut some. If it quits raining today, we'll go do a video on cutting.